Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying the essentials. Confirm your Apple ID is signed in and that your device runs a current iOS. Once done, open Settings and tap your name, then Media and Purchases to start. You will enter your Apple ID password when prompted. Do it now so the system can reauthorize. Make sure Face ID or Touch ID is configured for purchases. If not, set it here. This prepares the account and device authorization, so the next steps change behavior immediately. You now change purchase controls. Go to Settings, then Face ID and Passcode or Touch ID and Passcode, and enable App Store for biometric purchases. Next, in Media and Purchases, tap Password Settings, choose the option that suits you, require after 15 minutes or disable for free downloads to stop repeated prompts. When toggling Require Password Off or On, the system asks for your Apple ID to confirm. Enter it. This updates behavior because iOS links biometric and password rules to the App Store. You finish by restarting the device so the authentication changes take full effect. Once rebooted, test by downloading a free app and a paid item. Use biometric or password as chosen. If App Store still asks every time, sign out of Media and Purchases, then sign back in. Alternatively, reset Face ID or Touch ID and reconfigure. Also, check family sharing purchase approvals. Those can override your settings. If problems persist, contact Apple support with logs, but most users resolve it with these steps.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.